How would you like to draw Minnie Mouse, like you see her presented here? Capture your memories of your Disney experience through drawings of any of your favorite Disney characters. Be sure to watch these 2 videos if you are not familiar with grid line drawing. All information and pages needed for drawing are provided at the end of the video.
Minnie Mouse is such a fashion icon. She is usually seen in her trademark red and white polka dot dress and bow with yellow shoes. However, she has been seen in hundreds of different outfits, one of which you see here. Minnie is so sweet and good-hearted. However, she has been known to lose her temper occasionally, especially at Mickey Mouse's forgetfulness. But we must not forget how romantic she is when speaking of Mickey, her longtime sweetheart. She is a wonderful pet owner to her little kitten Figaro, who is the same cat who appears in Pinocchio. Her best girl pal is Daisy Duck. The 2 friends love to spend time shopping and talking about Donald and Mickey.